Hi guys, it's Cordout Bulletin and I want to do a little tutorial on how to stake your core to earn rewards. So all you need to do is to enter the core website, which is stake.cordout.org. Once you're there, you will see this interface and you can see so many validators. So all you need to do is to check the validator that has a very good APR so you can stake. Understand? The APR has greatly reduced. It was initially 2000 when I started. Now it's 169. So you just need to choose which one works very well for us. So all you need to do is to click on the validator that you feel has high APR and also lower commission rates. Let's go for this validator. So all you need to do is to click on delegate one core. Confirm. That's all. You have successfully delegated your core.